So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, so that once we drop an update next, you will not miss out on any updates. Now let's start with our trade on our Swiss franc JPY. First thing first, before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend of that trade. Remember, we did analysis for the week on our Swiss franc JPY, and we clearly said that Swiss franc JPY will be giving us a bullish move for. And this is exactly what Swiss franc JPY gave us. Gave us a bullish move that we were predicting. So you can see it that on Monday, market was able to open and close bullish. On Tuesday also, market was able to open and close bullish. And now this is on Wednesday. They are also going to open and close bullish. So guys, so for the day, we are anticipating for a bullish move on our Swiss franc JPY. Now take a look at the trend on our Swiss franc JPY. If this is our high, let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is our high on Swiss franc JPY, then here comes the higher low. This is our higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets once again push up to form a new higher high. So we would expect it to give us some more movement for the day. After it gives us that one more movement for the day to the upside, we can now start anticipating for an higher low, which is it. So for now, let's expect all Swiss franc JPY to open and close bullish. So with that movement, that you can see it here, first movement here, this is the pullback phase. This is the second movement. Expect your pullback phase to play out soon, and then one more movement. So above all, we are still on a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY. If there be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I cover it and let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, subscribe and follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram in the comment section.